The ALSEYE iPro White E-ATX case is a visually appealing gaming PC case, highlighted by its impressive ARGB front panel that syncs seamlessly with other ARGB devices. This case comes with a pre-installed Halo-Pro ARGB fan, which ensures that both airflow and lighting are effectively optimized to maintain a cool internal environment. The tempered glass side panel not only offers a high-quality finish, but also allows users to proudly display their custom-built components with ease. With ample space to support up to 7 120mm fans and two 360mm radiators, this case provides extensive cooling options for high-performance builds. Convenience is prioritized with the inclusion of a top I/O panel that features a Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, USB 2.0 port, and a combination audio and microphone jack. Compatibility is a strong suit of this case, as it supports a wide range of motherboards from Mini-ITX to E-ATX and accommodates graphics cards up to 360mm in length.